Welcome back to my channel. I am here today to plan in my Hobonichi Weeks planner for the week of January 27th to February 2nd. I am using this kit called, I believe it's called Warm Winter by BEaYOUtiful Planning. We've got our date covers. Sorry if you just heard that coughing. My husband's in his office next door and we're both kind of sick. Full box strip washi, decorative boxes, little icons here. We have, sorry, our top and bottom washi, more functional boxes and checklists, scripts, more boxes. We've got other like alternate date covers, habit trackers, little bow clips, etc. So I am going to start with the date cover. Now this cut a little bit wonky on my silhouette, but it was actually the second time that I was printing the or cutting the kit, because the first time I did it, it was way off. I actually started filming, I've got it here, actually started filming before I realized like how off it was, so I recut it. Okay, last time I did the top washi for this kit, I realized I wasn't sure if I was supposed to use both of these, but I don't think both actually fit. But now I'm unsure again. Let's start with bottom washi. Or maybe they were they supposed to go down here? No, I don't think so. Okay, let's just put this down. So, sorry, I know, I'm sure you guys can hear the coughing. My poor husband's been sick since, I think he actually started feeling the symptoms of the cold before we left Cuba a week ago, and he's still feeling kind of sick, and I woke up with it today. So together we are just a piece of work. It literally sounds like he's coughing up a lung next door. He hadn't coughed for like, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes before I started filming, so I should have known. Okay, so some of this is kind of Christmassy. So I know I want to put the double box here, so I'm going to go ahead and put that down. Okay, I just took my husband a cough drum. Okay, let's use, so I don't think I'm going to use the bells here. This one says Hello Winter, I can use that one. So let's do this one here. Get in there. Oh, it is. It's white. I thought the white was the, anyway, never mind. Okay, and then let's do let's snowballs. Like that. And then we'll do this here. And then I think this one, Cozy Little Cottage, right there. And that one says Christmas, and that's really evidently like cookies for Santa, so we'll use this one here. Okay, I'm gonna date this first. So 27, 28. I was just about to write 32 and 33. Okay, I have to run errands on Monday, so let me see. There are, do I have errands? No. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. And I will put it there for errands. And then I'm also gonna film, but I will put that over here. On Tuesday, my husband works late. So let's mark that with one of these. And then there are two things that I want to attend in the evening. I'll probably only be able to do one, but let me, so one is I want to go, oh, almost put on the wrong day. Hold on, I'm going to put the box down on the bottom first. My house church, which I actually haven't been to in several months, is doing a series on the Enneagram, and I want to attend. And then if any of you follow the Reset Girl on YouTube, she's doing, I mentioned this in my classic Happy Plan, but she's doing a winter self-care retreat, and I am registered for that, and there's a live event Tuesday night as well. Okay, Wednesday is a big day. Our dog is having her surgery that day, so let me use one of these. Not that one, too matchy. Maybe this one. Okay, and then a friend is possibly stopping by, but I think I'm gonna leave that because I don't know for sure. Thursday is gonna be filming and editing, but I'll put that over here. And then Friday, same thing, which will go over there. My daughter has dance, let's mark that. And again, there is a Harmony Retreat event that evening. Okay, so we'll put that there. What do I have? Car, we'll put the little alarm clock for dance, maybe. Just put that there. is a little stethoscope, which cut kind of funny, but I'm going to put that there for the vet appointment. I put these on the wrong day. Gonna guess they're not going to come up. Oh, okay, I got lucky-ish on one. Okay, that one's not coming up. I'll leave it there. I'll find something to put in it. So I will use, so let's switch. This one and this one. I've been doing that a lot lately in both my planners actually, which is annoying, or all of them rather. Okay, so there. Okay, that is Friday. Saturday, there is a retreat event, so I guess I'll pull this last one here, and that is in the afternoon. Okay, at 2, and then Sunday I don't have anything at the moment, and I really hope it stays that way. So let's do our long box here. Use our this week sticker. Maybe just like that. Okay, so I will mark where I need to go for errands there. And then filming and editing. That's gonna be magazine work. Let me put, where are, here. So one here. That's good enough. And then one here. Wednesday will be prep, so I'm gonna do this print and cut, and then I think I'll use, where are the tiny little checklists, these here. I'll use one of these. Maybe those are actually just meant to be dividers. Well, it doesn't matter anyway. They probably are. So I'll use this one. Okay, like so. And then I do want to use this for something. Just not sure what yet. Should I put that? Okay, I'm gonna put this like this. So. And then the other half here. like so. That there. And then so I'm going to put a little to-do right here. Like that. Oops. Okay, and then up here, I'm going to put the notes. I'm going to put notes down here. And then I'm going to put goals, and I think this little laptop up here. And I'll use this section for magazine to-do lists and things like that. I think that is it. So there's still plenty of the kit left for filling in over the course of the week, which makes me happy. So that is it. There's my Hobonichi Weeks planner for the week of January 27th to February 2nd. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye, friends.